Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyambak penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Kibor penyak ke District Association Jong Bharat Scouts and Guides West Jainti Hills kumajulong man lausnam hakasantri unok prak la pinlong like a 9 winter annual camp and youth leadership training ha David and Louise Ruiz Memorial Secondary School Tongkyat Yoksi. Kani program ko long shibenta ban yo alat ki Khynnah Scouts and Guide banyak Kynduh lang hisin chisnam badru ban pinjanai yek jingtip jing shampang jongki ling baki rukom hikai bapher kintup nuduk rukom te telai knotting and lashing kajing shnai ka jaka butiar deki dengki set gadget baki we ki belong kat kum rukom dustur jong Scouts Guide movement. Kini program kan kod haka khandai tu no pra daga bagi Khynnah school niki unit bapher jong district kilawan bani shimbenta rengkat ka jinsan lang ki scout master bagi guide captain.
Remind us about this beautiful ideas of the Scout and Guides movement, about the way how we are going to holding this winter camp as a place to teach you as a youth, to make you the real citizens of the country. And in these 4 days, you will learn so many things. You will see. I know tonight you'll feel homesick for a moment, but please join your friends. Those old guiders and scouts, please make them happy and lead them how you always enjoy with your winter camp. Teach them, show them how they must be together, join hands with the other scout and guides. A home that will make you feel like one family. Scout guides are a family, the family that we should love each other, should take care of each other, should really mind concern of each other. Not think that this is the school, I don't know them. That is the school, the children from other school, I don't know them. But now you are not from any other schools, but you are the members of Bharat Scouts and Guides.
Which they do every day. You are here challenging the cold of nature. Tonight you will feel the cold, and after feeling the cold, I'm very sure that you will start to enjoy the life in the wilderness. I'm reminded of a camp that I attended in the Smoky Mountains. I don't know whether any one of you here have heard of the Smoky Mountains. What's the scout motto? To be prepared, right? I was prepared. Inside the toilet, I could lock myself in. Even though the bear came, I could even share the toilet with someone else. Being prepared, it means being ready, both mind and body. Being ready, both mind and body, for any challenge that might come in your life. So you must always be ready for any challenge that might come your way in your life. From practical emergencies, I believe you'll be taught about some emergency skills, to personal struggles. This age has a lot of personal struggles that the youth are encountering.
This winter camp is, as you have seen in the routine, is designed to help you grow physically, mentally, spiritually, socially, and emotionally. So, this is just as we have learned in our motto, that be prepared. What we are to prepare? Prepare to face the challenges, prepare to save others, and prepare to become responsible citizens of our community.
As we gather, let's remember the core values that binds us: duty to God and country, and helping others. The Scouts and Guide movement isn't just about badges and camps. It's a unique platform where we learn invaluable life lessons through experience, lessons of friendship, hard work, resilience, and humanity, guided by the Scout law and promise. We are here to learn, to grow, and to inspire each other to be the best version of ourselves. Let us look forward to the event to be filled with discoveries, shared laughters, and strengthened bonds.